Hello guys, today we are going to start with a new chapter and the name of chapter is Expert Detectives. Now it is about brother and a sister and they are being referred to as detectives in this whole chapter. When we'll discuss this chapter, you'll come to know that Maya and Nishad are brothers and sisters. Maya is 10 years old whereas Nishad is 7 years old. Nishad means a note. In the musical instruments, it's the seventh note. तो इसलिए निशाद को 7 भी बोलते थे, सबने उसका नाम 7 रखा था. Now what is about the whole thing of detectives? We are going to find it out and it's a very interesting chapter. So just get it clear that निशाद का नाम भी 7 ही है. निशाद and 7 is the same person. उसका नाम 7 ऐसे पड़ा because of the musical note. And Maya is Nishad's sister and she is 10 years old. Curious about Mr. Nath. Now both of them are very curious about a person whose name is Mr. Nath. Now they know a person who's Mr. Nath. अब उनमें से now both of them have different opinions about Mr. Nath और वो पता लगाना चाहते हैं कि Mr. Nath actually में एक crook है यानी कि criminal है या फिर वो एक बहुत अच्छे person है. They are just trying to find out who he really is and वो actually में क्या करते हैं. So we'll see some conversations between Nishad and Maya. Both of them are totally opposite. For example, you see Nishad thinks that Mr. Nath is poor. निशाद को लगता था कि जो मिस्टर नाथ है ही इज़ वेरी पुअर, वेयर इज माया को लगता था दैट ही इज़ अ क्रूक ऑन द रन एंड ही इज़ नॉट एट ऑल पुअर. उनके पास मिलियन ऑफ रुपीज़ है, माया को ऐसा लगता था. सी हियर इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो यू कैन सी दैट बोथ ऑफ देम केप्ट ऑन डिस्कसिंग मिस्टर नाथ एंड दे ऑल्सो आर कॉल्ड डिटेक्टिव्स इन दिस lesson because they are just after Mr. Nath. They are inquiring about Mr. Nath. So Nishad doesn't believe him to be a criminal. Nishad बिल्कुल भी नहीं मानता था कि वो एक criminal है. उसको लगता था कि that he is a very nice person. Maya is confident that he is a criminal. Maya को बहुत confidence था that he is a criminal. So Seven used to think that he is so thin probably because he is poor and can't afford to eat. निशाद को हमेशा लगता था that he is very thin because he doesn't have money. वो बहुत poor है. Whereas माया को एकदम opposite लगता था. माया को हमेशा लगता था that he had millions of rupees and assures him that Ramesh brings him meals. Now माया ये यहाँ पे 7 की statement को जब उसके against बोलती है, 7 की statement के against, तो वो बोलती है कि उसके पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं. ये हमें कैसे पता चलता है? रमेश is a person working at the restaurant. तो वो बताती है रमेश उसके लिए हमेशा meals लेके आता है और he has a lot of money. So what happens is then Nishad also has to defend his statement. Then Nishad says that Mr. Mehta told us that he doesn't work anywhere, so how can he have money for food? So they are talking about Mr. Mehta, who's somebody living in the neighborhood. Nishad कहता है कि Mr. Mehta ने बताया था कि वो बंदा कहीं पे भी काम नहीं करता, like Mr. Nath कहीं पे भी काम नहीं करते, तो उनके पास पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? So that's the point. माया कहती है exactly that's my point. अगर वो कहीं पे काम नहीं करते तो उनके पास इतना पैसा कहाँ से आता है अपने मील्स लेने का हर टाइम रमेश से, और उसको टिप्स भी अच्छी देते हैं. दैट वाज द पॉइंट ऑफ माया. एंड माया ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड अ ट्रंक इन हिज रूम. उनके रूम में एक ट्रंक पड़ा होगा, वो ऐसे बोलती है, जिसके अंदर गोल्ड और सिल्वर और बहुत सारा पैसा होगा. दैट वाज द थिंकिंग ऑफ माया एट दैट टाइम. सो यू विल सी दोनों की एकदम ऑपोजिट थिंकिंग थी. सो ऑन लिसनिंग टू दिस निशाद सेड व्हाट रबिश आर यू टॉकिंग? सो माया सेड आई नो आई एम राइट, लाइक दैट शी सेड कि मुझे पता है मैं सही बोल रही हूँ. आई एम राइट दैट ही इज़ अ क्रिमिनल हु इज़ ऑन रन. ये हमेशा इनकी ऐसे कॉन्वर्जेशन चलती रहती थी वेयर बाय दे आर बोथ ऑपोजिट एंड दे ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रियलिटी, द ट्रूथ अबाउट इट in the whole chapter. So one time what happened, Seven gets a chance to see Mr. Nath that fine day. So Maya gets angry on that thing. Maya को गुस्सा इसलिए आ जाता है because she was also curious and she also wanted to see Mr. Nath. So she gets very angry at that point. Whereas Seven was upset. Now think why Seven was upset. He should be happy. वो हमेशा try करते रहते थे कि वो Mr. Nath को जाकर एक बारी देख ले या मिल ले and उसके लिए वो उनके घर में marbles भी गिरते रहते थे. So 7 को तो खुश रहना चाहिए, but 7 was upset. Now 7 was upset about Mr. Nath's gaunt appearance, यानी कि you know his very thin appearance, and he used to look very sick. That sick appearance which made him sure that he was starving, यानी कि वो भूख से मर रहे थे. तो that is why 7 got upset about it. But after some time he explains his sister that how he went inside and trusted a bar of chocolate. Now 7 को हमेशा लगता था that he was poor और उनके पास पैसा नहीं था and he was starving. That is why वो इतना पतला था. तो आपका भी कोई फ्रेंड है जो बहुत पतला, हम कहते हैं नहीं यार तेरे को खाने को नहीं मिलता, लाइक दैट. तो सिमिलरली उनको ऐसा लगता था कि मिस्टर नाथ को कुछ खाने को ही नहीं मिलता. सो ही ट्रस्टेड, मतलब उनके हाथ में उसने जल्दी से एक चॉकलेट का बार थमा दिया निशाद ने मिस्टर नाथ के हैंड में, एंड ही रन फ्रॉम देयर. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंड नेक्स्ट. Now that's when Maya asks Nishad, did you get a chance to peek into the trunk 7? उसने पूछा 7 क्या तुम ट्रंक में देख पाए? Then you know Nishad, the boy 7, he got disappointed. Now why he was disappointed? He says कि उन्होंने तो मुझे अंदर भी नहीं बुलाया. Mr. Nath did not even invite him inside. So that is why he was a little upset about it. So what happens next? After some time 7 again smiles and he tells Maya that I have something that is very exciting. तो माया पूछती है क्या exciting हुआ? So the exciting thing was that Nishad went down to the restaurant and was able to talk to Ramesh, because Ramesh is the only person जो मिस्टर नाथ के घर में हमेशा जाते रहते हैं. तो उन दोनों डिटेक्टिव्स को ऐसा लगा कि this was the like just like a building block in their inquiry, and it was very good for them that if they were able to speak to Ramesh. So they were very happy. So now we'll be discussing the information that Ramesh provided about Mr. Nath. So the first thing is he takes 2 meals for Mr. Nath, morning and evening, 2 cups of tea, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Now Ramesh tells that man is not very particular about food. मतलब उनको ज़्यादा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती थी कि मुझे ये नहीं खाना, मुझे वो नहीं खाना. Whatever the food is, he used to eat that, and the same food he used to eat every day, like some vegetable, dal and 2 chapatis. So Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. रमेश ने बताया that जब भी उनको मतलब फूड देने जाता था, मिस्टर नाथ यूज्ड टू पे इन कैश एंड टिप्स वेरी वेल. नाउ रमेश डिस्क्राइब्स अ संडे विजिटर. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर इज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट. रमेश बताता है कि उनके घर में ना एक विजिटर आता है एवरी संडे, द सेम मैन, एंड ही डिस्क्राइब्स द विजिटर. विजिटर इज टॉल, फेयर, स्टाउट एंड वियर स्पेक्टिकल्स. ही टॉक्स अ लॉट. रमेश सेज दैट मिस्टर नाथ तो कभी भी ज्यादा बोलते नहीं है, बट द विजिटर इज ऑलवेज ऑपोजिट. जब भी वो जाता है वो विजिटर उससे बहुत ही ऑलवेज फाइंड्स that visitor talking, and he talks a lot. He was describing the visitor here, and now Maya was very happy to know कि अच्छा इतनी सारी information पता कर ली 7 ने. So Maya was very happy, and what she did, she congratulated Nishad, that is 7. Here she says, well done Nishad. I told him now that we have made some progress with our inquiries. We'll have to sort out all the facts like expert detectives. Now they are calling themselves, both of them, expert detectives, so that we can trap the crook. Now here Maya always says that he is a crook. Maya is totally sure that he is a criminal. That's why in the statement also Maya mentions that we are going to trap that criminal. So how you do go on, Maya? 7 side. How can you possibly imagine he's a crook? He looks so ordinary. Now here you will see कि 7 is totally opposite that. Has the opposite thinking of Maya. अब again 7 says कि तुम सोच भी कैसे सकती हो कि वो एक criminal है. He looks so simple. And then Maya says that सबसे ज़्यादा जो simple लोग होते हैं वही they come out to be criminals. Haven't you read the newspaper? That's what Maya says. And Maya refers to a news at that time. So what happens, that's where the conversation ends. Now what happens, she also defends by saying that criminals can look ordinary also. Now what happens next, we'll see that one day their summer holidays ended and their school were to reopen again. So one day what happened, their holidays finished and their school was about to reopen. That's when it rained a lot, and they had to stay at home that day. So this is the picture describing that day when they did not go to school and it was declared an off because of heavy rain. So what happened here, you will see that Seven is lying on the bed and Maya is writing something. Now what was Maya doing? Maya just named it like finding a crook, and stated some facts. वो जितने भी उनको मिस्टर नाथ के बारे में facts पता थे, Maya started writing them down, and then Maya told to Seven that let us discuss the facts I have written. Would you like to listen? So Seven said, let's listen. So Maya started stating the facts that Maya listed. So we'll be reading the facts one by one. So the fact number 1, his name is Mr. Nath. We must discover his first name. They were curious to know the first name. Now fact number 2, the tenants of Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. Fact number 3, he does not talk to anyone and he is mannerless. That's what the fact she mentioned. Now fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. Now fact number 5 was he's been living in room number 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. Fact number 6 was he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Fact number 7, the kids in Shankar's house and even some grown-ups are scared of him. That's what she thought it was true. Fact number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him on Sunday for lunch. Then comes the last fact that she stated was fact number 9, and that said food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately and tips well. Now Maya noted this all facts down just like any other detective would. Now after stating all the facts, Maya asks Nishad if she had forgotten anything. Maya पूछती है कि अगर मैं कुछ भूल रही हूँ in my list, fact number list, you just add on to that fact number list. Now Nishad was not listening to her very carefully, but still he said that all Nishad could say was, poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. तो वो ये चाहता था that note it down in your list that he's a poor man and he must be very lonely because उसके ज़्यादा friends नहीं है. Again because Seven had a soft corner in his heart for Mr. Nath. So then they discussed the only friend Mr. Nath had. A thought rushes in Maya's head. फिर वो डिस्कस करने लगी कि जो एक अकेला फ्रेंड है, जो उनका संडे वाला फ्रेंड है, संडे विजिटर फ्रेंड है उनका, दे स्टार्टेड डिस्कसिंग दैट फ्रेंड, अबाउट दैट फ्रेंड दैट ही कम्स टू हिज प्लेस एवरी संडे, दे हैव लंच एंड एवरीथिंग. सो अ थॉट रशेस इन मायाज हेड. नाउ माया इज इन हर हेड वेरी श्योर दैट ही इज अ क्रिमिनल, मिस्टर नाथ इज अ क्रिमिनल. सो एक थॉट आता है माया के हेड में, एंड द थॉट इज दैट what if that person is his partner in crime, Mr. Nath's partner in crime. और she speaks that out loud to Seven. उसको कहती है कि क्या पता उनका जो अकेला फ्रेंड है वो उनका फ्रेंड ना हो, उनका पार्टनर इन क्राइम हो, और उनको हर संडे शेयर देने आता है, जितना भी लूट में से शेयर होता है. मे बी ही इज द पर्सन हु कीप्स ऑल द लूट्स एंड कम्स नाउ एंड देन टू गिव हिज पार्टनर हिज शेयर, लाइक एवरी संडे ही कम्स टू गिव हिज शेयर. निशाद गेट्स वेरी एंग्री. नाउ वी सी निशाद बार बार नहीं सुन सकता था दैट ही इज अ क्रिमिनल and he's done this, he's done that, because he had a soft corner for Mr. Nath. और उसको लगता था that Mr. Nath is a very nice person because वो अपनी tips भी अच्छी देते थे. Now let's see what happens. I don't want to discuss anything with you if you insist on calling Mr. Nath a criminal. Now this is the phase where Seven gets very much angry and he says कि अगर तुम उसको बार बार क्रिमिनल कह रहे हो बिना कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन किए एंड बिना किसी प्रूफ के, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू दिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन विद यू. दैट्स व्हाट Seven said out of anger. And then he said that there is no point, there is no point of discussing it. He's a very nice man. Then what happens is Maya और निशाद again they went into a conversation and they kept on arguing. जहाँ पे निशाद कहते हैं कि वो बहुत generous है, वो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी टिप्स देता है. वो देन माया सेज नो दैट ही इज नॉट वेरी मच जेनरस. तुमने सुना नहीं दैट ही कीप्स ऑन फाइटिंग एंड ही डजंट इवन टॉक टू एनीबडी. और उनको 1 साल हो गया शंकर हाउस में रहते हुए, वो फिर भी उसके कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं बने. तुम्हें पता है Seven उसके फ्रेंड्स क्यों नहीं बने? क्योंकि उसको डर है कि अगर वो बाहर निकलेंगे तो उनको पुलिस रिकॉग्नाइज कर लेगी. ये सब उसको माया बताती है. बट Seven इज नॉट impressed on, he is not satisfied with her theories. then you know 7 says कि यार अगर तुमने उसको बार बार ही क्रिमिनल करते रहना ना, let's end this here because you have concluded it. मैं और ज़्यादा इसके बारे में you know डिस्कशन नहीं करना चाहता. There is no point. Then Maya also says that there is no point if you are not investigating with me. So then what happens here, you can see that Mr. Nath is running in his mind, and then 7 says that I want to be a friend of him. I want to know him more. I want to know that why Mr. Nath is so lean, and what is the story behind him. I want to be his friend. Now that's when Maya says that you want to be a friend with crook, with a criminal, haha, police is going to take you also to the jail. So उसकी sister ऐसे हंसती है, उसको बोलती है police is going to take you to the jail. So what 7 does, वो उसको quietly देखता है and he walks out of the room. 7 walks out of the room that very moment because he didn't want to discuss it anymore. Then Maya talks to himself that my theories are having no effect on 7. That's where our chapter ends. I hope that this chapter is clear to you guys. Now we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter, Expert Detectives. Let us begin. The first question is, what does Nishad find out about Mr. Nath from Ramesh? You have to tell what are the things he found out. So first of all, what he eats. Now Mr. Nath used to eat 2 chapatis, a vegetable and some dal. Okay, that is what he used to eat. When he eats, he used to eat in the morning and in the evening. What he drinks and when? Mr. Nath used to drink tea, that too in the morning and the evening. How he pays? Now Mr. Nath used to pay through cash and he also used to pay tips very well. Let's move on to the next question, which says, why does Maya think Mr. Nath is a crook? Who does she say that Sunday visitor is? So first of all, Maya, like from the very beginning, we have seen that Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a crook. So she thinks so because she says that he doesn't have many friends and he's a criminal who is on run. He doesn't talk to anybody. He doesn't work anywhere. He has no visitors. He has no letters posted in his name. So that is why, you know, Maya thinks that he is a crook, he is a criminal who is on a run. Now, talking about the Sunday visitor, Maya says that according to him, the Sunday visitor is Mr. Nath, partner in crime, you know, accomplice in crime. He's, you know, accompanying him in the crime and he comes every Sunday to give him his share of the loot. That's what Maya used to think about it. Let's move on to the next question. Now the next question is, does Nishad agree with Maya about Mr. Nath? How does he feel about him? Now talking about Nishad, Nishad did not agree with Maya at all. In the whole chapter, we've been discussing about it that, you know, 7, that is Nishad, did not, you know, agree with Maya at all because Nishad used to think that he is a very nice man and he's also very poor. He doesn't have much food to eat and he's also very skinny. So he used to think that Mr. Nath is a good person. Also he used to think that Mr. Nath is very generous because he used to give good tips to Ramesh and always used to pay in cash, and you know, you never see him, you know, fighting with everybody or anybody. So that is what Nishad used to think. And how did he feel about him? He used to feel bad when Maya used to say that he is a criminal. So he had, you know, a good and soft corner for Mr. Nath. I hope that the question answers are clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video with our next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.